Okay, so let's get started with the tutorial. First, you're going to need some printable vellum. This is not tracing paper, it's printable vellum that is suitable for your home printer, and in my case an inkjet printer. But you could also use this tutorial to guide you on making a table number in a hammered card like this, or watercolour paper as well would work really well. And you're also going to need a ruler, a good strong flat ruler, nice and thin, and then at the end, if you want, something to frame your table number as well, such as this glass frame. And we're making a 7 by 5 inch table number, so we're using a frame that's suitable for a 7 by 5 inch table number. So I'm using a template, and this template is one that you can buy on Etsy. This one's mine that I sell on Etsy, but there's loads on there, different kinds that you can find to suit whatever your theme is. And the good thing about this is that when you buy it, it links to your template on a website called template.com. And it means that you can either download it as it is, or you can change the font style, the font colour, change the number. You can add and remove as many tables as you want. It's really up to you, and you don't have to download any software. It's just ready for you to go. So once your template is ready, we click on download. And we want to choose PDF because a PDF file is the best for print. And you want to select show trim marks and save paper and the size of the paper that you're printing on, which in my case is A4 because that's the standard UK size. And so it'll go ahead and create your PDF and download it to your computer. And when you open it, it looks like this. So you can open it in a free PDF reader, usually Acrobat like this one. You don't have to buy the software. And from here I'm going to print this on my home printer, and these are the settings that I'm using. So I'm printing at actual size. Shush cat. So it prints exactly two 7 by 5 inch table numbers, and the media type I'm using is a plus semi-gloss because the vellum is slightly shiny, so I'm telling the printer that it needs to expect a slightly shiny paper, and I'm printing on the highest settings because I want a really good quality print. Now your settings might look slightly different to this depending on your computer that you're using on your printer. And this is the printer that I'm using, so I do recommend a top-down printer if you're going to be going out and investing in a printer for something like this and printing lots of stationery. This means that the paper goes in the top and it comes out through the front, and it's a straight paper path, so it's not bending the paper around at all. And this is what it looks like when it's printed, and I've not given it any drying time or anything like this, and you can see that the print is not smudged. It's a really nice reproduction of colour. The quality looks really nice. Okay, so here are our guidelines for either cutting. You could cut with a guillotine if you wanted a straight edge, but I personally like to tear the edges to make a nice sort of rustic, rough looking edge. Goes with the wildflower design really nicely. And so we lay our ruler against the guidelines and we're pulling the paper towards the ruler, and that makes a nice straight tear. Okay, so on to the last little bit. I've jumped ahead for you because, you know, we've all got lives to get to. Okay, so there we have it. So we've got our first one done, and I'm just going to give the top of this one a little bit of a trim because I went a bit fast with the top bit and it's just left a little bit of a rough section at the top, but you won't notice if I just snip that little bit off there. Okay, that's looking really good. Okay, so you just repeat for as many table numbers as you need. And we can go ahead and frame it. Now, a little bit of tip. When you're framing this in a clear frame like this one, you need to stick it down to the back of the frame because the paper is not thick enough to stay in between the two glass panels by itself. And I recommend glue dots. And if you just stick one big glue dot anywhere on the back of that, you are going to see it through the vellum. So I recommend cutting the glue dot down to about 1/4 of the size and putting it behind the colour of one of the flowers, and that disguises it so you can't see that there's anything there. So that's it, that's the tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you like, and if you do, just give me a like.